What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Benjamin, and today we are in BatchDialer, and I'm going to show you how to create a campaign. All right. I've been using BatchDialer for a good amount of time now, and I love it. So let's go ahead and get started. So, this is the homepage, the dashboard. So we're going to go to the left, click on campaigns. We're going to create a new campaign by clicking here. These are all my existing campaigns, right? And so first off, there's two dialing modes. Preview dialer, basically it just shows you who you're gonna potentially talk to. It's usually the best way to get started, like especially if you're nervous or have anxiety about dialing, you wanna kind of get an idea of who might pick up the phone. So a good way to start. A predictive dialer, that's just when you're rocking and rolling, ready to go, trying to have as many conversations as possible, you want to go ahead and go the predictive dialer route. It's not going to preview anybody. It's just going to pick up and then it'll pop their information up. All right. That's what I always use now. But like I said, great way to start is preview dialer. But once you get comfortable with having conversations with people, you want to go ahead and do the predictive route. Agents, you want to go ahead and click on yourself. And phone numbers. The more the better, because as you see, if you just do one, let me show you, 150, that's the recommended dials per day per number, just for carriers, so you don't get spammed. So I like to, and I always have 5. Oops. I like to just select all mine. That'll give me 750 per day. You don't want to get dinged by any carriers, T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, anything like that. Contact list. So if you don't already have a list uploaded within the system, you can go to upload contacts and go retrieve your CVS file. Okay. Right here. Boom. And you want to go ahead and import it. It does the majority for you. First name, last name, mailing address. It's all import or aligned. Property city, property state, property address, property zip. Email if you want it. Phone number 1, phone number 1. Phone number 2. Phone number 2. Phone number 3. Phone number 3. So I only like to upload the top 3 numbers because after 3, it starts to get not accurate at all. So that's about it. That's all you need. Then we're gonna do next. And I like to keep old, duplicate phone numbers in there because I have other lists with the same people on there. That's just how I do it. But I do want to scrub company DNC and scrub federal DNC. I don't want any lawsuits or anything crazy like that. And it automatically scrubs litigator lists and everything like that. So we're going to submit. And for call results. So for me, I created my own group of call results because some of them, like my interested, that'll go directly, it'll push it directly to my CRM. So you can create your own group in the settings, or you can just create or rock with these right here. Or if you don't want to use, like if you wanted not to use no answer, then you just cancel it, or you can go back and get it. It's up to you, to your discretion, but I recommend creating your own call dispositions, your own group, so you know exactly where they're going once you click the button. Script, same thing. I have a main script that I've uploaded. And the script will show right here. If you go look at my dialing videos, I'll link one right up here right now. You can see that I have a script over here on the right hand side that I can use. But outside of that, that's it. You want to save, accept terms, and you will be rocking and rolling. Oh, I actually have a Batch hoodie on right now too. This is like 5 years old. So I've been rocking with Batch for a long time, guys. There's a reason for that. It's because they've provided so much value for my business. They've made me a lot of money, and yeah, they're a very reputable company, and yeah, I use them for a reason. It's loading. Internet's internal service error. What is that? Okay, sorry. Disregard that. Okay, upload successful. So these are the total leads, total duplicates, existing contacts, misinformed leads. Honestly, guys, I do not even know what that means. I'm gonna find out. Look how many federal DNCs there are. So that's why you always want to scrub. Um, so yeah, some of those could be litigators, people who try to sue you on purpose. So let's press OK, and we should be good to go. Let's go confirm that the campaign is there. So it's loading right now, as you can see. So just come back in about like 5 minutes or so, and it should be good to go. And then you can start dialing. And I'll show you how it looks to begin dialing. All right, guys. So it is loading right now, but I want to show you what it looks like to begin dialing with the campaign. It's super simple. I mean, what I do, I just click right here, show phone, and then this will pop up and you just join whichever one you want to start working. You press join. Let's do test spring list, join, and available, and it will start dialing right then and there, like it's dialing right now. So I'm going to do break. You see right here is blinking. Watch it pick somebody up or somebody pick up, but it'll stop dialing in just a second. But basically that's how you create campaigns. You know, I dial twice a week for about 2 hours a day. But when I was just starting, like years ago, I was dialing like 2 to 3 hours a day, Monday through Friday, on my lunch break and after lunch before I picked up my kids. So it's all about conversations and making offers, and that all starts with proactively reaching out to individuals. And as you can see, we use BatchDialer. Highly recommend them. If you're interested in checking it out or getting some kind of discount, I think you can get your first month half off. Click the link below, check it out. If you have any questions about it, specifically something that I didn't cover, definitely reach out to me directly or in the comments. I personally respond to all of them. But till then, I appreciate it. Just trying to provide as much valuable information for you guys. But yeah, peace. Talk to y'all later.